So the first thing we're going to do is get started by installing the app. This is available right now from our app store on the Hey Voila website. So let's install the app. So install Hey Voila. It wants me to approve access to the data, so I'm going to agree to that. It now wants me to accept the terms and conditions, so I'm going to agree to that. And it wants me to enter a business name. Now this would normally be your business name, but in the respect of this demo, I am just going to enter some demo details. I'm going to select the voice, I'm going to go casual, and I'm just going to accept the default welcome greeting. And that's it, we're set up, ready to go. So we can actually use this chatbot right now. We don't need to do any other configuration, it is good to go. So if we do, hey, where is my order? You know, classic WISMO request. It's going to come back and ask for an email or an order ID. Got an order ID in the clipboard, so we'll pop that in. It's going to come back and give us the information about the order, along with the link that they can click on to actually go on the website and track it in real time. Now, that's all ready to go straight out of the box, no further work required. We can also ask it things like, you know, how do I contact customer support? It's going to give us the email that we entered when we set it up, and we could ask it stuff like, how do I do a return, or what are your terms of service, what's your return policy, etc, etc. But to do them extra things, it needs to know that information. So now we're going to get a little bit more advanced and we're going to train it. And it's really easy. You're just going to go up to settings and you're going to go to training. Now what you're going to do under training is you're going to give it a list of URLs from your public facing website. So for example, if your website has a privacy policy, terms and conditions, return policy, customer service policies, and about us section, just put the page URLs in here, press save. The bot is going to scrape them pages, it's going to learn from that content, and it's going to be able to provide much more detailed customer responses to your customers. So if a customer says, hey, how do I return my order? It's going to have that information. If a customer says, hey, what is your default returns window? It's going to have that information. We also have the option to train it using files. So you can feed in PDFs, Word documents, CSVs, Excel documents, etc. So if you have internal policy documents for how to handle return requests or how to handle GDPR inquiries, etc, etc, you can feed all them into the bot. It will learn from that information and it will get smarter and be able to answer the queries that your customers are asking it even more accurately. In addition to that, if you understand a little bit about how artificial intelligence models work and you understand prompt engineering, you can go into an advanced mode and enable the prompt, and you have direct access to customize the prompt and customize even more the kind of responses the chatbot's going to give. You have the access to do that easily there. If you are a little bit more of a technophobe and you just want to use the default settings that we provide, you can just go into general and you can customize, for example, the company name, default support email, the tone of voice, and the default welcome greeting. Okay. Now, if you are a developer or you want to get this embedded on your website, that is really easy. Just go to the developers section. If you want to embed a widget on your website, which takes seconds if you know how to edit the website code, just press get code. You can copy this to your clipboard. You can pop this into your website and it will give you a little chat window in the bottom right hand corner that your customers can use to start asking these questions there and then. Simple as that. You can also embed it in a page on your website. So if you wanted to have like a contact page on your website or a get support page on your website, you can embed it in a different way, and you can embed a big chat window on your website, which is exactly what is happening here. So you can embed this chat window on your website if you want to. You can also use the analytics feature at any point to come in and see the interactions with your chatbot, see how your customers are using it, and get some insights into the value it is providing them. This is available right now within the Hey Voila app. Have a look, see what you think, and we'd love to get some feedback.